What do you want to be when you grow up?
Baseball player.
What are you doing right now?
Playing baseball.
Show me, how, with Tyler standing in front of you, show me how you be a catcher. Okay, Ty's gonna bat. You be the catcher. Ready? Pretend the ball's coming. Okay, show me how you stand. Okay. Okay, Katie's gonna be the pitcher. Tyler,
Okay.
go get your ball, Katie. Hurry. Trevor's on the towel with his binky. Katie's coming to be the catcher.
Pitcher.
Pitcher. Smile, Katie.
Pitch. Pitch it.
All right, just a minute. Hold on. All right, pitch it again. We're going to see Tyler hit a baseball. Okay, watch out, Tyler. Ready? Watch out, Ann. Be your catcher, Ann. Oh, foul ball. Try again. Okay, are you going to be the catcher, Ann?
Yeah.
Whoa, you hit it.
It's on the second.
Ann's turn.
Right there, second. Third. It's on the ground.
Okay, Tyler hit a home run. Come pitch it to Ann, Tyler.
It's right there. And then pitch it to me. You to be catcher.
Okay, Ann's going to hit the ball. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Too high over her head. Help her. Get closer. Help her hit, Ty.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, almost. Try again. Where's your Washington Nationals hat?
No. She's the Tigers.
Oh, you're the Tigers today. Okay, try again. One more try. Oh, good job. Run, 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 run. Okay.
She always runs around the house.
Okay, Katie's turn.
Tyler, pitch.
Let's see if Katie can hit the ball.
And come back to catcher. She's running around
That's
the house.
okay. She can run around the house.
That's what she always does. Oh, she switched to this one.
Okay, Katie, let's see you hit a home run.
How are you?
Tyler, come on. No, throw it to her so she can hit it.
Okay.
Don't try and be a fancy pitcher. You're not a fancy pitcher. Just throw the ball to her. No, underhand. All right, Katie, run. Safe at second. Safe at third.
Out.
Safe at home. Home run.
No, I hit her.
All right, Trevor, what do you think of your family?
Can I hit it one more time? And I hit it one more time.
All right. Tell them all bye.